Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve simultaneous linear equations with two unknowns by using substitution method. Okay, now in order to use substitution method, okay, we have to single out one of the variables first, and then we substitute it into another. Okay, so we have this one, the first one and the second one, kan? Okay, so this one, the one that I circle, it's easier to single out. It's easier for us to single out the y, because the y is only 1 lah, minus 1. And then if we want to single out 3x, is difficult because what you get later, if we want 3x, so 3x is 7 plus y, and then the 3 divided by 3. This one, we have a fraction. It's not that it's wrong, but you tend to make more mistakes if you are dealing with fractions. So let's avoid it if it's possible. Okay, so we are not going to use that. What we are doing is, we take the first one, but we are single out the minus y. Okay, so 7 minus 3x, and then this minus, we become minus, this one positive. Okay, I rewrite lah, 3x minus 7. Okay, and then the second one here, I put over here lah. Okay, 2x plus 3y equals 1. Sorry, my morning alarm. Okay, now next what we do. Okay, we already singled out y over here. Okay, this is y, 3x minus 7. What we do next, we substitute where the y is. The y is over here, kan? Okay, so gantilah over here, 3x minus 7. Correct, right? Okay, and then put bracket. Okay, so please make it as a habit, when you substitute expression, okay, equation in another, make sure what you substitute, you ganti along with the bracket like this. 3x minus 7, put a bracket. Okay, otherwise you will create more careless mistake. Careless. It's not that you don't know, but you tend to make more mistake without you realizing it. Next thing you know, your answer is not the same with your friend, and then you wonder what's wrong with your calculation. Okay, don't want lah, waste time. So 2x plus this one multiply 9x, that one also multiply minus 21 equals 1. Okay, 2x plus 9x is 11x minus 21 equals 1. Okay, so this one minus 21 plus 21, okay, becomes 22. Okay, and then x equals 2. Yalah, because divide by 11, kan? Okay, now next we are going to figure out what y is. So y is from there, y equals, gelap lah, ambil warna lain lah, pink. Pink, hijau lah, hijau. Okay, same thing also, pink lah. Okay, we are taking y. Okay, so y equals 3x minus 7. Now what x is? X is 2. Ganti over there. Don't forget, even though one term, put bracket also. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Okay, this one is 6. Okay, 6 minus 7 is minus 1. So we already solve it. Okay, so this is the first one lah. Okay, x equals 2, y equals minus 1. Okay, let's move on to the second example. Okay, so for this one, the number disrupt. Tak apalah, that's fine. Okay, so let's have this one. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. So which one is easier for us to single out? Everything has a coefficient, right? So you think it is very difficult because Not really very difficult lah. Okay, a little bit harder. Because whatever we do, it will result into a bigger fraction. Okay, so we don't want fraction. Okay, we have to do something about it. Now, but before we single out the x or the y from any of the equation, we can simplify the question even before we started. Okay, because you see over here 2, 4 and 10. These are the multiple, apa aku punya P? Multiples of 2. While 6, 3 and 6 are also multiples L of 2 or 3 lah, depending on the context. So what we can do? We can simplify them. Oh, in this context is 3 lah. Okay. We can simplify them before we even attempt to solve it. Okay, so we are going to simplify the first one. The first one will become, okay, 2x divided by 2x plus 4y divided by 2y. Okay, minus 10 divided by 2 minus 5. Okay, now I do for the second one pula. 6x divided by 3 is 2x. Okay, 3y divided by 3 is y. 6 divided by 3 is 2. You see? Very simplified. Way more simplified than the first one, than the question. Okay, now, x plus 2y, this one, we can, single out the x. For the second one, we can single out the y. So, x plus 2y can be rewritten as x equals minus 5 minus 2y. Comma, I'm going to put this one over here, the second one. This one, I'm going to single out the y. Okay, so y equals 2 minus 2x. Okay, then what is the next step? Substitute lah. We substitute this x into this one. So what we have is minus 5 minus 2y. Put bracket. Okay. And then minus 2 in front of the x. And then 2 equal y equals lah. Okay. These things, just copy paste the statement from above. Okay. And then we simplify it. 2 minus 2 minus 5 is plus 10. Minus 2 minus 2y is plus 4y. Okay. As you can see over here, we have the y's on the left-hand side. Okay. So we group the y's together. So y minus 4y equals 8. Equals 8. Ya Allah. Equals 12. Okay, sorry. So we have apa ni? Minus 3y, right? Minus 3y. Okay, and then we have this 3y divides 12. 3 lah. Ya Allah, kenapa 2? Okay, minus 3. Okay, and then what we have is minus 4. Okay, we divide them or cancel them lah. Okay, minus 4. Okay, now, we are going to figure out value of x pula. So, x equals minus 5 minus 2y. What y is? Y is minus 4. Ganti over here. Bracket don't forget. Minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 minus 4 is plus 8. Plus 8 minus 3 minus 5, sorry, is 3. Okay, so we get y equals minus 4, x equals minus 3. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.